I have a belief that food is medicine, and what you eat determines not only how you physically feel, but is responsible for our inner soul's well-being. If you eat things that are living, like fruits and vegetables, the things Mother Nature set on earth for us, you too will live and be alive. Eating only dead things, like a diet that consists mainly of meat, will make you dead inside and also slowly kill you. I am not 100% vegan and still do eat meat, but my diet mainly consists of fruits and vegetables. I love touching my food and preparing it myself. I feel the process of making food, washing your produce, and adding your own herbs is so soothing and grounds you. 98% of my meals I prepare at home, and I cook everything. I love knowing what I put into my food, using organic produce and coconut oils to cook. I also grow many of my own herbs at home. Most mornings I start my day with either a smoothie or a bowl of fruit, with either oats or yogurt. I also love coffee and use only organic oat milk. So, good morning. I'm starting my day off with fruit and yogurt. This fruit is so good with yogurt. It's this weird brand I get. You can probably find a better one. I just got this one because it was advertised high calcium. As you know, I'm a sucker for any sort of advertising. Say this cream is better because of literally any reason, and I'll be like, alright, sold. I'm on Instagram right now, and I just found this really cool filter where I have blue eyes.
The way you live.
Look, I just posted this reel.
I mean, what if I don't want to live the way you live? Oh, don't be ridiculous, Andrea. Everybody wants this.
But I don't know if you saw that. The phone won't focus. So, I mean, I'm not recording on a phone for the first time. Welcome to the new good quality of my vlogs. The camera I got is called Fujifilm X-T4. Welcome to a day in the life. Okay guys, I just harvested from my veggie garden. It's from this place called Garden. You literally type that in on Google and then you can get a hydroponic system. And I leave the herbs to stay there, and I pick when I need to use them in the kitchen. Like the chives and the thyme and the rosemary and all the rest. But I harvested these. I'm going to make something for dinner with them. They're some peppers, and there are also a few tomatoes in here. These ones are really juicy. They're really good, and some of the peppers have dried up quite a bit, but you can still use these. These are still really good. The dried out ones you can cook in stews and whatnot because they flavor everything really well. Fresh things I'll use to serve on top of a ready-made food. Dried up things and things they make for spices, your herbs that actually come closed, that I'll use to season while I'm cooking, because that flavors well, and you can't put that stuff on already cooked food, the finished product. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically that's it. I love harvesting from my garden, but if you want to start and have some of your own herbs and stuff, this comes in a whole bunch of different sizes, so you can even get smaller ones, or just ones for the top of the counter or whatnot. And they come with these pods that you can honestly, this one never ever sprouted, but you take it out, you wash it, and then you just put a new pod in at the top. You take the top out and you put a new one in, and you can just order these. This is my home, and I love spending my days here. It is full of everyone I love. Kaya, my puppy, is one of the biggest blessings, and her and I hang out so much each day. She means the world to me would be the understatement of the century. Making a commitment to a place on earth and saying, this is my place, I'm going to stay here and treat it the best I can. To go into the garden and know the name of every tree and wildflower that you pass by. I truly believe that as humans we are meant to know our surroundings intimately and to kind of be one with them. And when we're not, we feel so isolated, detached, and kind of adrift. We were built to care about the world we inhabit, and when we do love that world, it loves us back, and we feel happier and more at peace. I love to do yoga outside, in the morning sun, and surrounded by nature. Yoga focuses on your body's natural tendencies towards health and self-healing. The process of yoga is to build strength, awareness, and harmony in both the mind and body. I strongly believe your environment and lifestyle impact your health, and I think nature is one of Earth's best healers. Spending more time in nature and connecting to Mother Nature is one of my daily goals. I try to go outside at least once a day, whether it's to drink my morning coffee, do yoga, or take Kaya for a walk. While doing yoga, I focus on connecting my core, using it and feeling it work through each movement. To have a strong core is the essence of the foundation of one's soul. Your core refers to the essence of one's spirit. It is the true character of an individual. To breathe through each yoga pose and to use a mat I can still feel the ground through really helps ground me and helps connect me to the earth. This whole concept is very difficult to explain, but this, along with food, is my medicine. Without it, I would constantly be mentally sick. Just like a plant, I need the sunlight, the soil, and a view of the sky to grow. Hey guys, so the sun is starting to set and it's been a beautiful day. I've prepared a whole bunch of food in front of me. I have some butternut squash over here, some lentils, some chickpeas, ginger, zucchini, tofu, broccoli, a lemon. Then we have Thai coconut milk, which this one is unsweetened. I have some turmeric spice, which is amazing and so healthy, and this vlog camera is very difficult to use. And then I have some pure sesame seed oil. So if you guys want to make this recipe, these are the basic ingredients you'll need. First things first is we're going to wash our chickpeas. We're also going to wash our lentils. Alright guys, in the meantime, you're going to put a pot of boiling water on the stove and you're going to take your broccoli and put it into the boiling water. This is going to cook up really nicely. It's going to take quick, like probably about 5 minutes. And while that cooks, we're going to chop up our tofu. Now, tofu is really, really bland, guys. I can't even explain how bland it is. So when we season it, we're going to add extra seasoning. So once you've chopped up all your tofu really nice and small in bite sizes, you're going to kind of squish it. You have to squish it like to get the water out because tofu contains a lot of water. Some people say you have to squish it for 30 minutes. I don't think so. I literally just squish it to get the water out. And then we're going to put it in the pan. I put it on heat 4 or 5 and then I add some Cajun spice. Now I know I didn't show you guys these spices because I think everyone just has them. Then we add some pepper, and then we add some salt. Now, we add a lot of salt, guys, like a lot of salt. And then paprika. This is not the smoked paprika. This is the normal paprika. And then the turmeric. The spice you're going to add the most of is the paprika. Now, guys, it's going to look like you've added a lot, but that's good. You have to add a lot. This is the sesame oil. We're also going to add a ton of this because it flavors everything so well. And you're just going to mix it up all together nicely in the pan. Okay, and your broccoli should be done now. That's about 5 minutes of cooking time. You don't want to overcook it and get it smushy. So we're just going to leave it on the side for now and let it rest. We're going to take our butternut squash and add that to our tofu. Alright, now we're going to get our pestle and mortar out. We're going to chop the ginger. Guys, ginger is really, really strong. You don't need much. It flavors really well and you just need a teeny tiny bit. So we're going to cut the skin off and then chop it up nice and small. This is all you're going to need. Like literally that's it. I honestly love using the pestle and mortar, guys. It's just like super traditional and old school. It's kind of like takes some muscle, but once you get the hang of it, It's really nice. You can also crush all sorts of other herbs and anything else in here, anything that you want to crush that you've dried and kept all good. Even garlic. It's really great. Also make sure to keep your house nice and cold for this cooking because it takes a lot of work. It's coming on nicely. Guy, you're being annoying me. She's annoying me. Okay, now you're going to add your crushed ginger to your tofu and butternut. It should be all nice and like ground, like little fine pieces. And then you're just going to mix all that up together. Make sure that the ginger is crushed really fine, guys. So sesame seed oil burns really easily. I accidentally had my stove too hot, so my sesame seed oil started burning. So I just added some extra virgin olive oil and then some more sesame seed oil. The extra virgin olive oil helps the sesame seed oil stop burning. And you're going to add all of your lentils, guys. You should have soaked them before just to make cook time a little bit shorter. I'm sorry I forgot to mention that. I just feel like it's something everyone knows. Anyway, then we're going to add our chickpeas. This is the point where I saw my zucchini was too soft, so I threw it away. I didn't use it. And then I'm adding my broccoli, and you're going to stir that all up really nicely. Alright, just a quick fact about lentils. So lentils are a great source of vegetarian protein and are a good addition to soups and stews. Lentils are really rich in iron, and iron is a trace mineral that your body needs to make hemoglobin, a protein that transfers blood to oxygen. Oh, I forgot a secret ingredient, hoisin sauce. This is going to be a game changer, guys. I'm sorry I didn't say so in the beginning, but you do need hoisin sauce for this recipe. This is hoisin sauce, and it's really sweet and yummy, and Kaya's going nuts. And you're going to put generous amounts of this in, like very generous. Alright, back to lentils. So lentils also help decrease your risks of diabetes. They are good for heart health. They are a secret superfood and also help with cholesterol levels, guys. This is looking so yummy. Food is medicine, and everything in here is so good for you. So anyway, we're going to add the coconut milk now. I end up adding all of it, so whether you want to just add a bit, mix it up, or just add all of it at once, up to you. But I add the whole tin, guys. Look at how it is looking. This is how it should look, guys. It shouldn't be a mush. It shouldn't be falling apart. You should cook the broccoli for under 5 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever. But this is how it should look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love healthy, good, clean food. And now for the taste test. Kaya, no, here. My puppy is crazy at the moment. I think I've muted most of it out, but she's been going nuts. So good, guys. And just like this creamy, amazing stew. So now I'm just going to do some rice, and I'll have rice with this and give some to David, and that's basically it. Happy cooking. Look what it is, guys. Everything I harvested. So I've chopped one up. These are chili peppers, not just peppers. I'm sorry for just saying peppers earlier. They're chili peppers, and I'm garnishing the top with them. I'm just doing a little bit on mine because I don't want too much spice. I'll do more on David's. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys.